Hello, book lovers. This is Kirsten Larson, author of Wood Wire Wings, Emma Lillian Todd Invents an Airplane, with another nonfiction or STEM book review. And today I am looking at a book called Finish the Fight. This is a middle grade nonfiction. It's from the staff of the New York Times, including Veronica Chambers. And the really cool thing about this, the subtitle is The Brave and Revolutionary Women Who Fought for the Right to Vote. But this book takes another look at the women's suffrage movement. Obviously, a lot of the most well-known figures in the women's suffrage movement are the white women. And so this book looks beyond the white names that we all know to look at indigenous women, black women who were involved in the movement. And I love this particular spread, which tells us there is many more women we should know. Many of these women are featured in the book, and you can also see who they are in the guide in the back. So this is a really, I think a lot of us don't realize that there was a lot of intense racism in the women's suffrage movement. And so this kind of takes a more comprehensive look at the movement and also a lot of women who have been left behind. It's a really fascinating read for middle grade readers, very well researched, great back matter, and I highly recommend it.